probability problem, and the question is asking, what is the probability he will find the coin within 1 foot of the wall? Okay, so remember that probability is the favorable over the total, okay? So in this case, our total is going to represent all this area right here, okay? So that area is easy to find. That's 80 square feet, right? Okay, but then the favorable is a little harder to find. What is the favorable area? Well, the favorable area is just this kind of border all the way around the room that is within 1 foot. But how can we find that without going into all kinds of contortions? Well, here's my idea. I'm going to suggest that we take the whole thing, okay, minus that smaller one. Okay, do you see this? This is going to represent our smaller one. Well, we know our whole thing is 80, right? Okay, but how much, what are the dimensions of this smaller area, this area right in the middle here, okay? Well, if you subtract a foot here and a foot here, that means that this length from here to here would have to be 6, okay? So there's where we get our 6. And then we want this dimension right here. Well, we subtract a foot here and a foot here, that would give us 8, right? So does everybody see this is where we get a 48, right? So obviously this little yellow area over here, this yellow area right here, would have to be 80 minus 48. Okay, we've got this whole thing minus what's in the middle part here would have to leave us with the yellow part. Okay, so if that's true, 80 minus 48 is equal to 32. So that is what is represented as our favorable area, right? Okay, then if you do the math on that, you get a decimal. That gives you 0.4. So the probability of finding the coin within 1 foot of the wall is 0.4, or you could say, he has a 40% chance of finding it there.